go out for my date. Where's my favorite clothes? Let's try on this page. Oh, let's see the station. Senpai, you want to go out with me? No. I have to ask Yamoto or my crush out at prom with me, and no, that's no. Why? Go. Because I like someone. Fine, I'm leaving. Me too. Bye. He rejected him. He rejected she. Or you know her. Let's go. Let's kill that brat. Let's beat a minute. Sorry if I don't post too much. Follow me, bitch. Mwah. I have so many monies. Okay. What to choose? What? We are here for to die. Perfect. This is not all of my love. This is her bag, and let's clean the blood. And there's no evidence now. No one can see her. This is all you got, bitch. No one can deserve you. No one can like you. You steal my senpai from me. Look at that. Let's go to grab my church. Let's put it on. Toot 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 toot. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. How did you still alive? You know that's my twin, and and just text me. What the hell? Oh my god, I need to text Mika. What did I do? I need to get my phone. I need to text her. This is her account? Why is May her twin? I don't know. No, just text.
magpupulat pagkatapos kumain. Uy! Kumain ka na. Fried chicken yung pinaluto ko.
Subuhan mo ako.
Hindi, ikaw na para kung makakain ka ng maayos na fried chicken. Di ba?
Okay.
Doon sa lamesa. Kain ka ng mabuti.
Wait. For... Hintayin nyo lang guys yung part 2. Masusunod to. Kain muna ako guys Sorry po kung nag-usap po yung papa ko guys. At ipopost ko po to sa YouTube. Hindi po sa TikTok. At magfe-face reveal ako at mag-grow up. Sorry po kung hindi ako nagpo-post. Bye! Bye!